Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm gonna answer the question, does the Logitech MX Master 4 come with a USB-C receiver? So, the short answer is yes, it does. Inside the box, you'll find a Lodgebolt USB-C receiver designed for the MX Master 4 and the low latency and secure wireless connectivity. So, as you guys can see, compared to older unifying receivers, Lodgebolt is much faster and more reliable and definitely more secure. And now it's finally gotten the USB-C, which is a huge win if you're on a modern laptop or a desktop without the USB-A ports. So, as you guys can see, we have the receiver right here. It is a Lodgebolt. There's no unifying one right now. And if you're trying to use that, then you can just simply plug it into your computer and everything should be fine. But of course, you can still connect via Bluetooth. But if you want the lowest latency and the stable connection, even though the Bluetooth one is already stable, then I would recommend using the Logitech receiver. So yes, the MX Master 4 does come with a USB-C receiver and it's ready to go right out the box. So drop a like if this video helped you out and hit subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.